How to delete a business Instagram account. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, on your profile, tap the three-line menu at the top right to open the settings. Once the settings have been opened, scroll down and look for the For Professionals section. Under the For Professionals section, tap Business Tools and Controls. Here, you will find the option to switch your account type. Tap Switch Account Type and you will see two options: Switch to Creator Account and Switch to Personal Account. To remove your business account and use Instagram as a regular user, tap Switch to Personal Account, then confirm your choice. Instagram will process the change, and once it's done, your account will no longer be a business account. That's how to delete a business Instagram account.